How's it going, guys? Today we're going to do a real quick video to show you how to install one of our best sellers. This is a carbon fiber shift knob replacement, and this is our new 2025 Camry. We just started doing the interior modifications. So this one is a small piece, but it will make a big difference. So really quick installation video and super straightforward. All you have to do is pop the boot skirt down and remove the pin that's holding it in, and then pop the shift knob out. So let's go ahead and show you just that. This also applies for the 2018 to 2024, but this is the 2025 ninth generation Camry, which shares the same shift knob. So the first step is to just pull down with your fingers, and that will pop right off. So as you see, the skirt came off, and you're going to look for that same pin that's sticking out, and you're just going to pry it out, and that will release the shift knob. So let me go ahead and do that. So what you see here on this shift knob is just a suede overlay. Really easy to install, easier than the shift knob install replacement, of course. But we're just going to go ahead and pop it off just so you can see that it is only a overlay cover. So this is what your shift knob will look like. We got the boot skirt already down. So we're going to go ahead and pop off that pin that we showed you. It will make it easier if you're in neutral. If you want to go ahead and gauge the parking brake to be safe. And let's just go ahead and get under there. And just like that, the pin will come off and the shift knob is now loose. So you can go ahead and just pull it right off. We're going to go ahead, put it in park, pull it off. So just as easy as you take it off, you can put it back on. Putting the pin back might be easier in neutral as well. So let me just go ahead and put the parking brake on. And it is better if you look from the top end, of course. And then just like that, you can see the pin is on. And once you got the pin in, it'll only go into one place. So you want to make sure, push it in, it'll click. And then put the skirt back up. And just like that, you can feel the shift knob will not come off. And the installation is done. Very, very quick and easy. This is a super cost-effective upgrade for your interior. As you can tell, the craftsmanship is amazing. We do quality work with these replacement parts, and it is available in any material, any color leather, any color carbon, available to order now on kocf.com. So if you're looking here and you're wondering what's all this suede, that is our suede interior kit that is highly recommended to not only spice up your interior, but to also protect it from normal wear and tear on high traffic areas like the window switch and the center console. So let us know what you think about this carbon fiber shift knob. No, thank you guys for tuning in to another video. As you can see, we got a decent amount of carbon fiber on this car. So if you want to tune in for more, you can check us out on Instagram at King of Carbon Fiber. Or if you like the G9 Camry, you can follow us on Instagram at G9 Camry. So thank you guys for tuning in for another video. Drop us with a like, drop a comment, and if you're feeling nice, give us a subscribe, and we'll be more encouraged to make more videos like this.